tired of seeing so much hair on your brush every day? Today, I'm going to share a secret magic formula for amazing hair growth. You can stop hair loss and get thicker hair with just 2 super ingredients you probably already have at home. The secret is pumpkin seeds and rosemary. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc and vitamins, which are essential for strong hair. And rosemary is the ultimate booster for blood flow to your scalp, waking up sleepy hair follicles. Here's how to make it. First, gently heat 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to activate their powerful fatty acids, then grind them into a fine powder. Next, add the powder to 1 cup of olive oil, along with a few fresh rosemary sprigs. Gently heat this mixture using a double boiler for 20 minutes. This keeps all the vitamins alive. Finally, filter the oil until it's clear and pour it into a dropper bottle. Apply it to your scalp 2 to 3 times a week, and make sure to massage it in for 5 minutes. Consistency is key. Give it a month, and you'll see the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural tips.